In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete WhatsApp contacts. By the end, you'll know the clean, reliable way to remove someone from WhatsApp by deleting the underlying contact from your phone's address book, which is exactly how WhatsApp manages names. Start by opening WhatsApp. You can do this on your phone or on the web or desktop app if you prefer. Just keep in mind that the actual deletion happens in your phone's contacts app since WhatsApp displays whatever is saved there. If you're on web or desktop, you'll still use your phone for the final steps. Next, open the chat with the person you want to remove. If you don't see the conversation right away, use the search bar to type their name or number so you can jump straight into their chat thread. This helps ensure you're working with the correct contact card. At the top of the chat, tap the person's name or profile picture to open their contact info screen inside WhatsApp. This is your hub for details like media, notifications, and shortcuts that lead back to your phone's address book. On the contact info screen, tap the menu in the top right corner. On many phones, this appears as three dots. You're looking for the option that links you to the native contact entry. Choose View an Address Book. This will switch you from WhatsApp to your phone's contacts app and open that exact contact card. This is where the actual deletion happens and where your choice will sync across your devices if you use services like Google Contacts or iCloud. In your Contacts app, open the options for that contact. Depending on your device, you might tap the three dots again or the edit pencil icon to reveal more actions. You're looking for the option to delete the contact. Select delete and confirm when prompted. Your phone will ask you to verify that you want to remove the contact. Once you confirm, the contact is removed from your address book and WhatsApp will reflect that change. If you return to the chat in WhatsApp, you may see the phone number instead of a name until WhatsApp refreshes. That's normal. Give it a moment and it will update automatically. A few helpful notes before we wrap up. Deleting a contact does not erase your chat history. The conversation remains until you choose to clear or delete it separately. It also doesn't block the person. If you don't want them to message you, use WhatsApp's block feature in the contact info screen. Finally, if your contacts are synced, the deletion will carry over to your other devices and accounts, so double check you're removing the right entry. And that's it. Simple, safe, and done.